One. Oh, the cub. Ah. What is it, little one? There was this strange yellow horse, which threatened me, and she had a human. Oh. Well, anyway, let's get you back. But wait, I haven't finished my sentence. They went over there to that barn thingy. The humans are there. The barn is over there. And stuff like that. So, overnight you can go and attack. Good idea. Now let's get you back home. Now it's time to sleep. Wake up. What is it? I'm going out. If the kids wake up and ask you where I've gone, just say I went out for patrol. Okay. Okay. I'm going straight for the humans.
Yeah, this is so fun. We've never spent quality time together. You know what I mean? Yeah. So wait up. It's like, ow! I'm dead. Yeah, we're dead, aren't we?
They're dead. Nice. I can put one on my back, and then one I'm gonna carry. More human meat. Nice. There we go. Now I'm gonna talk to that horse. Now, you!
Okay.
Don't
this isn't where to
touch my child.
My
They cub again.
I had nothing to do with this, by the way. Okay.
Get out of this!
Okay, fine. Bye.
You don't even dare hurt, threaten anyone which is in my pride, especially the cubs. So I'm gonna teach you a lesson, and your leg's gonna be broken.
No, please.
Right. There.
No.
That will teach you a lesson. Never to mess with someone's pride.
There's no one here as well. You've all eaten our owners, haven't you?
Yeah.
Why? Now we can't have a vet to help us.
What do you mean? Why do you need one?
Because that's the only way that we can get help.
Not true.
Broken her leg.
There's a herd right over there.
You've broken her leg. Oh, jeez, there's a slug there. I'm gonna throw up.
Ignore the slug, you idiot horse. Ignore the slug, stupid. Ignore the slug, or I'm gonna break another one of her legs.
Okay, fine. Ignore the slug.
Now, there's a herd over there.
Yeah.
Which has a medicine horse.
Oh,
and she can help you with your problems, so whatever.
But
I'm
wait,
leaving.
wait.
What is it?
Before you go, what are they all queuing up for?
That's just how they do it. They're weirdos. I don't understand.
No, there's hay and food. I gotta carry her back there.
I'm leaving. Kids, wake up. It's time for our food session thing.
Incoming, there's a herd horse here. No, there's not. Do you know how that's I'll give you all a free bath. Free bath sounds amazing. Oh, I need a bath. I'm the professional.
If you guys hear anything in the background, it's just my cat Goldie, okay? Nom 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 nom. Anyway, I'm going off to see what those things are doing. Okay? Okay.